Yo, how you guys doing? Name is B the Barber, Benjamin. You're here in the world famous Venice Barbershop. Here about to do a nice little hot towel shave. Gonna hook up the beard, you know, get rid of all this fuzz right here. So a lot of clients are scared to shave the head, man. I mean, when it's going like this, right at the crown, just buzz it out, you know. We'll do a little extra, hit the razor hot towels with it. So we'll just zero this right out.
This baldness is premeditated. On purpose.
Genetics. Sometimes it stays, sometimes it goes. I got the good genes, of course, you know. A little blessed. Alright, cool. So I took down most of the bulk right here. Doesn't have to be special. The razor will do a lot. It just helps. The client has thicker hair. It's best to just take it all down. Cool. I'll leave my lines right there. We'll fade all that in a little bit. Yeah, another little tip is like, you could see the head shave as like a basic, or if it's done right, it could be a luxury. So this could be, you know, a $20 service if you're trying to get the client in and out, or it could be a $100 service if it's done right, you know.
What's the $100 service?
Oh man, you're talking hot towel shave, steamer, you do the works, you know. You could get the client in and out, or you know, you make it a luxury. Good products. Take your time with it.
What's the texture of the shaving gel? It's got a scent?
Yeah, it actually has got a nice little minty scent. Opens up, it's good for the pores.
So how long do you keep the towel on?
You know, you wait maybe like a minute, 2 minutes. You kind of feel, let it sit for a little bit. You don't want a cold towel, you know, but just want to get the pores open.
Remember those popsicles they used to give you, like out of the dentist as a kid? Those little lime popsicle. That's what it smells like.
Nice.
Yeah, it does, huh? So I'm just gonna go with the grain.
Sure.
So you always did it at like, you don't dull your blade out.
There's still people that are trapped with the lava.
Yeah, and you see that.
Yeah, that's smooth. I could feel the difference. Yeah, the shave gel helps out a lot, man. It makes it like butter. You got the right product, man, it'll do wonders. Make your life a lot easier. Perfect, right down the middle. So that's what you want. You want your blade to move like butter right here.
Short-termers disease.
Stretch out the scalp.
It's actually, it's funny. She will work like 12 hours if
What it is. Alright, so now we get to start working on this beard. Well, we're just gonna transition the beard in. Ask the client if he wants to trim anything. We'll fade this in. We'll give it a nice clean. But we'll start with like we'll do a half on this. Actually, we'll zero it out. Let's do this. Out to the ear right there. Open it up to about 0.5 half. You could zero this out, close that up. So we've gone up to here, just all half. All this half, right? Got a nice marker right there. Then we'll go with our one. Close. Just right under that, and then we'll open it up, take it a little further down. So almost right at the earlobe. And we'll be closing it up from the half, moving up. And this is closed now. And I just stretch out the skin sometimes, depending on the client, get you closer on the beard. I know that my half is right here, so I'll open my half up, go right there. Right, just closing it up little by little. Right. We want to leave the depth to it, but we want to get a nice transition. So we're just getting just these little hairs right here. Beard will tell you to fade it in. And we get some of these back arches here following the beard.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's what you did.
Up, close it just a bit up. So just setting guidelines. We know that our half is here. Depending on the structure of the face, right, you could bring it lower if you'd like. I kind of got a visual more or less with the client where it's at. I'm just closing it up, going right above the half. Go back to my one. You could open it or close it to start. Open it will give you a better guideline. Right, just bringing it right there, almost right at the ear. Closing it now, so I know my 1.5 is there. Going to my one. Now, of course, the longer the beard, the tighter you want to take this. Fade, if you got a longer client beard, you know, you keep your half up to there, which you want. You know, clip over, comb it there. This is a shorter beard, so I'm able to bring it down just a little bit more. So the client here already has their line a little more defined, so we're just going to go ahead and follow that. Depending on the client, some people have, you know, larger Adam's apple, higher neck, longer neck. Some people like the jawline real high. Some people like it real low. Just always listen to your client, just see what they want. Make it look good. Little trick is standing in front of the client, arching back, making sure the neckline is good. Climb down, lining over right over the mustache. Once again, depending on the client, whoever they like it, right? Some people like it real just clean right over the lip. Some people take it a little tighter. stretch out the client's skin over here. My bad, man. He's over here saying these, that's what she said, jokes. Don't joke when the barber's got a blade to your fucking throat, man. So right here, if the grooves are going, you know, hair grooves are going this way, I'm going to reverse shave it. Right, I could go down, but I see the hair's clearly going this way. I'll just go back with it. Make my life easier, make the shave easier on the client. Cool. There's any little extra hairs right here. So right here, start working on the lineup. Depending, like, if you start here, sometimes you dip too low on the line. You know, some people like it real low and clean. It just depends. If you start from the sideburns, you get more of a facial structure. So we'll just arch right over. See with this ease blade, we do numbers right here. Get all these hairs right here. We're literally going against the grain and it's just coming right off. Cool, getting our lines right. We're gonna have the client pull down on the mustache. So you could reverse shave this, right? Depending. Alright, get right in. Just right over the top, depending on the client. Some people like it real tight. Right, then we'll reverse it again. These nice corners. Do some nice cuts right here on the side. And then so sometimes you have like the cheekbone that's higher. So you could have your client blow air right here. Blow a bubble right here. Like this, look. Yeah. Right.
Yes. I mean, the more like vibrations.
Cool. Corners are important right here. Just make sure it all flows smooth. Okay. Well, everything looks good. Nice and clean. Right here. I'm B the Barber. You're at the world famous Venice Barber Shop. Just laced up my man right here. Nice head shave, hot towel shave, beard trim. Lace him up, got him fresh, ready to go out. Thank you.